guys. It's 8:20 a.m. here in Japan. Late na tayong gumising kasi it's still Golden Week here in Japan, celebrating Golden Week. Ayan. Kaya late na tayo gumising. Bukas na start ng work ko. Ang hobby ko nag-work na today. 4 days ang yasumi, walang pasok ko. Kaya late na tayo mostly gumising. Bukas maaga ulit. Ayan. Don't skip your breakfast. Stay energetic. Ayan. Kailangan natin yan sa katawan. Ang berries. Ayan. Kailangan natin ang isda. Ang kamatis. Subscribe my YouTube channel ng Pinay Wife Life in Japan. That's my one plate breakfast.